I wanted to do a follow-up on the whole house water system I installed. As you can see, that filter started out nice and white, and it's capturing sediment and rust and everything else in between. I don't really see nothing on the bottom yet, but this is the water that the town's pumping in, and you can clearly see that it's picking up a lot of extra stuff that would be coming into the house through the first stage. Coming on into the second stage, which is the charcoal filter, it's starting to turn brown, but not as bad, but it will be getting there soon. I bought a water quality test kit, and I just wanted to see how the quality of water is right now coming out, seeing as I have the filter installed. So this is what's in the kit. It comes with enough to test twice. It's got a 6 water test, copper test, iron test, the chart, and the little beaker. So let me get it prepped and we'll see how the water quality is. We'll now perform the 6-strip test. It says dip it for 2 seconds and then remove it and immediately check it. 1, 2. Everything pretty much looks like it's in the acceptable range here. As you can see, the total hardness, sorry for the focus, trying to do this one-handed. Total hardness is good. Let's see, chlorine is good. So that means the filters are working. Alkaline is good. pH is a little off. It's a little off. It might be in the low end there. Nitrates are okay on both ends. So that takes care of that 1 6-strip test. So everything kind of turned out good there. So I'm pretty glad that the system's working. So now we'll go into the copper test. It says to immerse strip and swirl 10 times and wait 15 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And wait 15 seconds. And the copper levels look good. They are good. Which means the filters are doing their jobs. Alright, so we're going to do the iron test now. It says dip it for 2 seconds and wait 60 seconds. So 1, 2. Let's pull it out. And let's see. And it looks like it's going to stay in the okay zone. Sorry for the focus again. But it looks like we are going to be good there. Looks like it falls maybe in between. Oh, wait. Yeah, somewhere in between here. So I'm going to call it good. So yeah, that proves that a whole house system does work.